Hey guys, welcome back to another brief Sheetify CRM tutorial showing you how to change the date format. This is for those that manually want to make changes to the date format. Now, when you purchase Sheetify CRM, you have two options. You can choose the Sheetify CRM Google Sheets template that has the date like this, month, day, year, or you have the option to get started with the Google Sheets template of day, month, year, and that way you don't have to make these manual changes inside Sheetify CRM. However, if you've already added your database and you want to make changes to the date format, simply navigate up to File, then come down to Settings, and the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and change the locale. I'm going to change this to the United States and then the time zone. Select the correct time zone that you operate in. I'm going to select Arizona and then click on Save and Reload. Then once we've done that, we need to manually make changes to each of our sheets. Now on contacts and leads, what we're going to do is navigate across and look for the first date column. Here we have it here, date added. What we want to do is simply click on this column, then navigate up to Format, then locate number, and then date down here and click on this date. And that's going to change that date format here. I'm going to do the same here, navigate over to Format, number, and then date. And you can see that date format has been changed for that column. If we navigate across, we have to do the same with this sales task due date. Simply click up here, then click on Format, number, and then date. And let's see if there's any more columns that we need to make changes to. And yes, we do. We just need to make changes to this column here. Column V, simply navigate up to Format, number, and then date. Next, what we need to do is navigate over to Sales Pipeline. And this is where we need to make some manual physical changes. Simply navigate up to this first column under 1. And what we want to do is double click on here and then change the format down here from day, month, year to month, day, year. I'm going to do that now by replacing DD with MM and replacing MM with DD. Then what we're going to do is quickly go ahead and copy this little snippet here. Go ahead and right click, come down and click on copy, and then simply click out of here. I'm going to click don't show this for 5 minutes and OK. And you can see the date format has changed for this column. Now we need to do that for each of these columns. You can see it's relatively manual. That's why it's important to choose the appropriate template with the correct formatting that you're after. Again, double click. I'm going to replace this by right clicking and then clicking paste and then clicking out of here. And again, you can see the formatting has changed. And what we need to do is do that with each of these columns. Again, copy this, again, highlight this, and then paste in the correct format and then click out of here. So take the time to do that here and then across here with all the different stages in your sales pipeline. Then once you've done that, navigate over to Sales Calendar. We don't need to make any changes here. Then if we navigate over to Client Tasks, again, all we need to do is locate date, and you can see we have 2 date columns. So all I need to do is click here, navigate up to Format, Number, and then Date. And that's going to change the date there. Again, I'm going to do the same with this column, come down, Number, and then Date, and that's going to change the date for that entire column. Let's navigate across. Again, we don't need to make any changes here. And just like that, we've changed all the dates from day, month, year to month, day, year. And that's how you can manually make changes to the Sheetify CRM date format.